Sorry, I had a call. Okay, so where was I am? I was talking about properties of log. Yeah. So some students are confused like what they have to do and what they don't have to do. They mix the property. So I'm writing few things that you cannot do. Not be used or correct. I'm writing the form. For example, you have log of 3x square. Students can do just like some students do, that is 2 times log of a 3x. That is 100% wrong. You cannot write this one like that. Now the question arises why? Because that 2 is only at the power of x. This one is only as the power of x. You cannot see any power over this 3. Yes, you can do this one when you have the expression just like log of a 3x whole to the power 2. Now you can write log of base a 3x. This is fine now, no issue. This is 100% fine, no issue. But for the first case, you can see it's 3 times by x square and you just broke down the power and something like that. That is totally wrong. It's a big blunder. So don't use this thing. Never do this. Right? So this is the one mistake that I ever see people or students mostly do while doing the solution. So this is the first common mistake. Second common mistake that students did is, for example, you have log of same expression log of a 3x square whole to the power 2, or you can erase the square over here. What they do, they can do 2 log of a 3x. Is this correct? You can see this 2 as a power of log. So how you broke down the power as the first position? By using the third property? Not possible. 100% wrong. You can't. Right? So this is only possible if you have this square over this 3x only. This one, that is this one. So as a whole, the power of 2 is not choosable. That's 100% wrong. So this is also a common mistake that usually student did. So it's wrong. Alright. So that was all about what I want to say about log. We can solve any question so that you can see. For example, I have a question from a past paper. 2 raised to the power x minus, this is by substitution and I did not tell you substitution until now. So let me choose another question. Leave it. Yeah, this one is fine now. For example, you have log of 2 x plus 3 which is equals to 4, and you have to find the value of x. This question is already in log form. You can find the answer by using the inverse process. So inverse method is fine for that. How you can? You just remain x plus 3 as it is, and 2 would become a base of 4, and 2 to the power of 4. So x plus 3 is equals to 2 to the power 4 is 16 actually, and x would be equals to 13. That is the answer. Let's do another example. That is log 2x minus 4, which is equals to 2, and you have to find the value of x. Inverse process is applicable over here again, and this is basically log and having no base. So when it have no base, then definitely it's understood that it have the base 10. So if it has a base 10, then definitely it could be written as 2x minus 4, which is equals to 10 to the power 2. 10 to the power 2 means 100 plus 4, which is equals to 2 times of x, and x could be written as 52. That is the answer. Third question. Natural log of 3x plus 1, which is equals to 2. Okay, let me tell you first thing. That is natural log and log. What does mean by ln and log? Some students think that log is same as ln, but this is not. Both are different quantities. If you have log, then log have base 10. But if you have ln have base e. Also, the numerical values of ln and log are not same. Never think that log and ln are same. No, that's a big blunder if you say log is same as ln. They never be same. It's impossible to be same. So here you can see in the second question I was talking about log, and here the base was missing initially. There was no base, but I know that the log have the value of the base, that is 10. So by you can say by my mind, by my knowledge, it's understood that there should be 10. But for the question number 3, this is ln. So it means that there is a base e over here because this is ln. So inverse process will be applicable over here again. That gives me x plus 3 is equals to e to the power 2. 3x is equals to e square minus 1. On your scientific calculator, you have a button of e. And you can find the x is equals to e square minus 1 over 3. You have your calculator. So you can plug back the value, or you can plug back the button of e square minus 1 dividing by 3, and you can easily have the answer of x. That would be in a decimal points. So in this way, you can solve the question that are relating to basically two types of log. First one is making a log from in this form, that is for this one. If you have index form and you want to make a log, this process. And if you have already log form and you want to make as index, you can use the property, and these are the properties that you can do. And at the last, you can do the reverse process to find the answer. And the last thing that I guide you is about the difference of ln and log. Log always having the base 10 and ln have the base e. They cannot be same, never. Log is 10 containing the log contains the base 10, and ln contains the base e. That was all about log. In the next lesson, I will tell you the logarithm questions by substitution method. Also, we will do some past paper questions.